In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to reposition slides in Google Slides. Whether you're fine-tuning a business presentation, organizing a lecture, or just making things look cleaner for a more personal project, learning how to easily move your slides around can be incredibly helpful. First things first, let's open up your Google Slides presentation. Once you've pulled up your deck, you'll notice a column of thumbnail previews on the left-hand side displaying all of your slides. This is your starting point for rearranging your slides. Now, say you've identified a slide that would be better suited elsewhere in your sequence. Click on the thumbnail of the slide you wish to reposition. With your mouse button held down, simply drag the slide to your desired location. As you move it around, you'll see a horizontal line appear, indicating where the slide will land once you release your mouse button. It's as easy as that. Release, and the slide is instantly relocated, and you'll see the order of your slides update right before your eyes. If you're dealing with a deck heavy with slides, you might want to switch to an optional but highly beneficial view known as Grid View. To do this, go to the top menu, click on View, and then select Grid View. In this layout, you'll find handling multiple slides to be significantly more manageable. This view grants you the flexibility to drag slides around just as before, allowing for a more streamlined and bird's-eye view of your entire presentation. When you're ready to make edits or simply wish to return to the standard view, just double-click on the slide you want to work on, and you'll be back in the film strip format. Now, if you need to move several slides at once, it's a breeze. Hold down the Shift key and click on each thumbnail of the slides you want to shift. This action selects your slides as a group, making it possible to drag and drop them in unison to a new spot in your presentation. This feature saves a lot of time and keeps you from having to move each slide individually. Finally, let's touch on managing slides you might not want to include in your presentation. If there's a slide you'd prefer to skip during the actual slideshow, yet still want to keep within your deck, right-click on the slide thumbnail. Select Skip Slide from the menu. You'll notice a small skipped icon appear on the slide thumbnail. Rest assured, the slide won't show during your presentation, but remains part of your deck for later reference or editing. There you have it. Those are the straightforward steps to reposition slides in Google Slides. With these tips, you'll be able to organize your deck to best suit your purposes and ensure your presentation is exactly how you envisioned. Good luck and happy presenting!